Yep. I don't think we're making it to Bayhorse. That's such a letdown.
Yeah.
I was looking forward to it, but this road is just super ruddy. Bike was just super sketchy to even turn around, go over the sketchiest bridge I've ever crossed. But the ride here was absolutely beautiful. It's like these walls of mountains that just kind of we followed up, you know, and it was so good. It's Highway 75 north out of Stanley. We just did it's just a beautiful 50 miles. So I guess, I mean, if that's all we got out of this trip, it was worth it.
Yeah, it'll give us more time to hang out at the lake.
Yeah. Kate said, fuck it.
She said she's gonna walk up to the corner and see.
Yeah, okay.
If it keeps climbing though, I mean, it's gonna get rougher and rougher. And
Yeah. The sign at the bottom said, winding gravel road.
Yeah.
And there was a guy on the bridge with a dog. I'm like, get your fucking dog.
I ain't stopping.
It was so hard. It was one of those wooden bridges where there was 2 lanes, like 2 sets of boards.
Yeah, I'll show video of it.
Yeah. Video now. And it was just like hard to stay on it. I was dangling feet.
Yeah.
That was bullshit, but it was fun.
Yeah.
It was exhilarating. The bikes are lighter than they have been so far,
Yeah.
especially
Right.
John's bike. But it was great, man. It was a good ride.
How's it riding without the trailer?
Oh, it's so nice. So nice.
The new
Yeah.
rubber.
Yeah, it's so good. So much more power.
So I think we'll continue our break, wait for my wife to return, and turn these fuckers around.
Yeah.
Too bad with a sport bike you do that fucking kickstand trick. You ever seen that?
Oh yeah, lift it up.
Yeah.
Just turn around.
If we try, I
We
just
just-
bury my bike.
We just need to learn to drift them.
Boom!
Just plant the left foot and get her on.
Yeah.
It's them brass balls again. Oh God. Don't you fucking stop. So, here we are, walking our fucking tent up to campground. So, I was trying to figure out where we came into a disagreement with Karen. We didn't make it in time because of our detour to Boise. They gave away our campsite. We paid for 3 nights of this campsite. And she was hanging out at the campsite that was ours that she gave away when we pulled up. She said out of a courtesy she gave us a free night at another site. That's fucking bullshit. We paid for 3 nights, so we were just packing up moving to the pavilion because she said that was an option. When we started doing that, she said, oh, I'm gonna have to charge you. I said, I'm not giving you any more money. We paid you for 3 nights. Yeah, call somebody. In her head, we paid for 3 nights, didn't make it. We forfeited all that. So then we were just SOL. So the plan was today, the site we were in was only open for 1 night. While we were out and about, we were gonna get back by 1. We talked with her about this, and she was gonna find us another site. We get back from our excursion today, and she goes, oh, I looked for you guys at 8 a.m. Couldn't find you. Now all the sites are gone. what bad luck you guys have. And I could have just lost it. This lady, so ultimately, there was an open campsite. If you can find an opening where we don't fuck up our tent, I'd go through. Hook a left. No. Can we make it? Yeah. All right. Ultimately, we got a site. It's a death march. But I have never disliked a camp host more. And it's actually soiled one of my favorite campgrounds we've ever been to. Last year, there was this guy named Roscoe, rode a Harley. He's a fucking good dude. And now we got this lady that just makes me mental. But we're just about moved in. We still have plans on hitting the lake. Nothing's changed, but we may have to find a new place in Stanley. I don't know. Gang, gang. So was it the lever that, it's not the shifter that needs moved, it's your pedal?
No, it's a shifter.
It's the shifter.
Are we leaving the wood here?
Yes.
So you unwrap it that way?
Yeah. So Dave took off his clutch pedal. Ended up putting it back too low, so John's just been having a hell of a time fixing it right up. Bug collection. Been looking at that. This has been my view for since day one. Doing my part to rid Idaho of bugs.
Haven't been wasted in a long time, but tonight it feels just fine. Riding home with the windows up, along with a plastic cup of real good wine. When I get out of this hole, I'm going to Tupelo. There's a girl down there that'll treat me fair. We'll get about a week of spring and the summer is blistering. There ain't no one from here that'll follow me there. No, there ain't no one from here that'll follow me there. Said there's nothing left to talk about. At my age I should have figured out which drawer to put the good knives in. The wars between the weekend store playhouse down. I kept her close, way too close to me. She never lived up to my memory. Driving fast with the windows down, a past I don't belong to now, mystery. I get out of this hole, I'm going to Tupelo. There's a girl down there that'll treat me fair. Get about a week of spring and the summer is blistering. So there ain't no one from here that'll follow me there. No, there ain't no one from here that'll follow me there. Get about a week of spring and the summer is blistering. There ain't no one from here that'll follow me there. Well, there ain't no one from here that'll follow me there.
What a torque broke.
He poured his sink down the bottle and took us one little swaller.
A little bit. It was another day of trials. This time mentally, not physically. Besides moving. We moved today.
Yay.
But it was a good day. Had fun hanging out at the lake. Pizza was good, man.
Pizza
It's
was great.
been a great day. So, old friends and new roads.
Old friends, new roads.
Dink, 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 dink.
Getting peppery in its old age?
That's fire.
Oh.
It is right here.
Get some air to that bourbon.
Woo! That's opened up.
It's crazy how that one's the Red Oath, right?
Yeah.
We've only been toasting with that, or have we been drinking that too?
Toasting.
Toasting.
It's crazy. We don't even toast with that much. Both quick.
A lot of nights.